So guys, I have Nissan Altima here, so I'm going to change the AC evaporator. The AC evaporator has leak. Nissan
Okay,
Altima.
let's go.
To open the evaporator, first you have to bring down the blower. Okay, this one have to go down, and all this cover need to go down. So here are the evaporator. So no need full dashboard open. We don't need to open the full dashboard. Okay, so first the blower need to go down. For the blower to go down, there is a bolt here. And there is a bolt here. Okay, that is it. So this is the blower. You can see here the blower. So now I take out the blower. You can see extension valve. So the evaporator is inside here. So to get into the evaporator, need open all this plastic. Need open the plastic here, full need open. Okay, we need open here full, so I can be able to access the evaporator. Thank you. So now the evaporator is out. You can see it's out already. Okay, so here are the evaporator. So this is the evaporator. So the evaporator here, so it has leak here. It's leaking this side. So, but I have a new one here. So this is the new one. So I'm going to fix this. So this is the brand new. I'm going to fix this. Okay. So here are the new vibrator on Nissan Altima 2009. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. So this is the new vibrator on Nissan Altima 2009. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix the vibrator. Okay. So you can see here I'm going to fix the vibrator. So no need full dashboard open. So full dashboard no need open. Okay. So here are the vibrator. You can see. So this one has to be upside. So it goes down. You can see. Goes in. So here are the seal. You put the seal. Now you fix the extension valve. So you can see it's already fixed. And it comes with 2 screws. You can see. So you tighten the screw. And tighten the up bolt. Make sure you tighten the bolt very well. Make sure the thing no go leak. So if you not tie the bolt very well, it go leak. So you have to tie the bolt very tight. And don't over tight it so that the bolt will not spoil. Okay, that is it. So here are the station valve. You can see the station valve. So this is the time to fix the pipe. So here are the pipe, because the pipe, I clean the pipe, I make sure the pipe is very clean. So this is time to fix the pipe. So now it's time to close the evaporator. So here are the cover. Here are the cover. So this has to go through here, go down. Get that on the way. Okay. Make sure it's properly fixed, so it's not going to leak air. Okay. You can see. Make sure it's properly fixed and tight all the screw. So here are the one of the screw. Make sure that I tight it. You can see. So go in here. You tight this. Tight this. So you tight. Make sure that you tight all the screw. So after fixing all the bolts, so we have to fix this plastic. Okay. So this one goes in. So we have to fix this one. So you tight the up one. So this one goes to the blower. Okay. Yes, so this is time to fix the blower. So here are the blower. So the wire goes to the blower control here.